Let's move on to our first topic, and that is Lyft listening? Because we talked about this last week when it came to the wait times, when it came to not adjusting trips, and lo and behold, now we're getting some screenshots from everybody. They are adjusting trips, and they are, handing that wait time to drivers now. I think that was kind of the initiative, and maybe it didn't show right on the whole app itself. I think that was an update, an error. I don't know, but who knows?
All right. Well, thank you, Sue. Much appreciated. So, yeah, we've been putting these up, and for the past, I don't know, 2 months, we've been kind of hammering Uber and Lyft that they're not adjusting, that they're saying they're going to adjust the fare and stuff if a trip goes longer by distance and duration. And finally, this week, I got screenshots that if a trip goes longer than the estimate from the upfront side, we are getting the adjustment up. Now, we took credit for a couple other things that we thought we fixed, which I think we did actually. One was the logging out of the driver for hours and hours and hours after 3 declines, Walt, believe it or not. Now, okay, I'm hearing myself. But that's okay. We're gonna take credit for this one too, Chris, because they're adjusting up and decent amounts too. So there we go.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see the echo thing. So I'm not sure what's going on. I hear it pretty much only when you're talking. I mean, if
The stream,
somebody else
the
says
people
the
on the
same,
stream are saying they're hearing an echo. So I'm not sure.
I had mine on mute, so it couldn't be from here.
Yeah, everybody's echoing on me. Okay. Well, anyway, so
yeah, I'm only here. I hear. I was on the live and just hearing it from my end. I only hear the echo when you're talking, so I'm not sure if you got speakers or something going on where it's picking up. I mean, I don't hear you going through, but I'm not sure.
I don't have anything, honestly. But it says that a lot of people are saying echo is for Sergio only. So I can go back in, go back out again, but I don't know what else to tell you. You tell me, buddy.
I don't know. What's weird is though I don't hear an echo on you at all. So
Okay.
that's the weird part.
I hear his echo.
In the chat or in the live stream?
In the chat.
Okay. Huh. Interesting.
Okay. Well, you may have to do this on your own until we figure this out.
I don't know.
Okay.
That's really weird.
Yeah. All right. So Lyft is adjusting up, people. Be happy about it. I am delightfully happy about this. So on the first trip, they did a $3 adjustment for a trip that lasted about 6 minutes longer, which is pretty damn good, actually. And on the middle trip, they did an adjustment because the trip was further, right? Instead of 3.75 miles, it went for 6.44 miles. And for a 3 mile or 2 3/4 mile adjustment, they paid $3.99. So I'm happy about it that they're finally listening and doing this. So there we go. Yeah, it's gone. Chris is gone now. So let's go to the next one.
Oh. All right. Well, either way, I don't know what happened there, but I'm glad that we got it worked out. So
it's coming. Right. And then these are more adjustments, right? So the trip is supposed to go 22 minutes and 47 seconds according to the upfront estimate. And it went from 22, it's about another 15 minutes. So they adjusted upward by $4.06. A lot of people may say, well, it's nothing, it's another 15 minutes. But if you extrapolate that, that's 16 more bucks for the hour. So I take it. Look, I take it over zero anyway. Okay. And then on this last one, see, Walt doesn't have these problems because he gets paid by time and distance, but we don't. Walt, you never want upfront fares, Walt. Trust me.
Yeah, we do that for the deliveries here, and it's just horrible.
Yeah, you gotta work with my man Zach over there. He's in also Bellingham. You guys got to work together to put this, fix the delivery drivers, problems up there. So, and this last one, The estimate was 21 minutes and 18 seconds for 7.13 miles. It went for 40 minutes, so 19 minutes longer, but Lyft adjusted 547. None of these I did an article, equal trips like this with adjustments. None of them were adjusted. Now they're adjusting. Lyft, much appreciated. If we can take some credit, we'll take some credit. I doubt it, but let's say we did. Okay, so there you
Take
go.
a bow.
Well, either way, you know, we got to give them kudos for that, because they are doing the adjustments. You don't have to do like a fare addendum or something like that. Like you got to do it for every single ride you do on Uber. So hey, Lyft, you know, maybe you're getting a little extra water, or that sun's coming in at a different angle and starting to spruce up the tree a little bit. So good to hear that.
I don't think so, but
probably not.
Stock is $8.
On the flip side, though, now they're showing in the app when you know we were waiting for a rider. Now it's starting to say you're getting paid extra during wait time. So
this is from a reliable source. This is from a reliable source. This is Gabe in San Francisco. He's just sent me this this morning. Lyft started charging passengers about a month ago for wait time, and they never passed it on to the driver. So, and Gabe confirmed that it's starting after 2 minutes, just like Uber's is. After 2 minutes, wait time is being charged, and the driver is getting paid. Another good thing, Lyft. Much appreciated. I know it's pennies and nickels and dimes, but you know, it's not charity. We're not going to do this for charity. We're not going to go wait there, burn our gas, and you know, wait for the passenger for 5, 6, 7 minutes sometimes without getting paid. I think it's a good thing. These are good things. See, when good things happen, we call it good. Everybody says you guys complain all the time. I'm like, no, we don't. There you go. There's good things happening.
These are good things.
Yeah.
These are two good things.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.